This conference will now be recorded.
Morning,
Good morning, sir.
ఎంతమంది తిట్టుకుంటూ వచ్చారు? ఎంతమంది తిట్టుకుంటూ వచ్చారు? Shall we start? So yesterday where we are?
Tax.
Okay. We have discussed about tax entries, right? We have discussed about input tax. Okay. Today we discuss tax on sales. Tax on sales. Nothing but okay. What we call
Output tax.
so again this one also we can divide it into two ways. One is intrastate.
State.
State sales. Nothing but
In same state.
in same state. Then
Interstate.
inter between
Two different states.
two different states. What is the first step?
Creation of
Creation of
sales contract.
sales contract. Then
Creation of sales contract.
creation of
Sales contract.
sales. Just assume that and quantity 1 lakh. Then what is the third one?
Post goods delivery to
Post goods which goods? Finished goods or semi-finished goods, whatever it may be, to
customers.
customer. What is the accounting entry?
Cost of goods sold.
Cost of
Goods sold.
I will write COGS. Is it okay for you? Right? Okay. Cost of goods sold account debit to finished goods inventory. How much? It is not 1 lakh because it is inventory value. It is inventory value. You have raised sale order for 1 lakh, but including profit that one, including profit. But how much value of material you are sending? 80,000. Remaining 20,000 is profit. You people should okay, remember. Okay, right? What is the fourth one?
Customer billing invoice.
Customer billing So when tax will be calculated? At the time of invoice, not at the time of goods delivery. People always should remember. Okay, here tax will be just assume that 10% output tax. Now tell me, what is the accounting entry? Customer account debit. Okay. Just first, okay, we will write what is our sales revenue. How much okay, company is getting revenue? 1 lakh. Now, if you are okay giving any discount to customer, you should deduct the discount. Okay, on net amount you should calculate tax. If okay there is no discount, then okay normally you can calculate on 1 lakh. Okay, totally depends on how they are giving the discounts and everything. Okay, but I will take normal okay 1 lakh one. So here on 1 lakh, what is the tax amount? Sorry, it is within same state. What are the things it will come? CGST output tax. Output tax. How much? 5,000. Then
SGST output tax.
SGST. How much?
5,000.
So how much amount I should okay debit to customer? 1 lakh 10,000. Even though you are receiving from customer, we will treat okay this particular CGST SGST as people always should remember it is balance sheet account and liability GL, because you are receiving from customer. Don't think that one organization is receiving okay amount from customer and they will keep in their bank account. What they should do? They should pay to the government. They should pay to the government. That is the reason we always treat that one as liability. For vendor, whatever the amount you are paying, government will okay give back. Why they will give back? Because you are paying here. Because you are paying here. That is the reason. Even though if you pay to vendor one time, again okay here if you pay to the government one time, that is a two time. Right or wrong? That is the reason government of India has removed VAT. In VAT we cannot get that okay these all things. Hope you got my point. The main issue why okay government have removed VAT and why they have introduced GST, because whenever you are purchasing raw material, one time you are paying tax. Again, whenever you are doing sales, by using that raw material only, you will okay purchase the finished goods. Right or wrong? There you have paid. Again, here also you are paying. Hope you got two times I got then. That is the reason, the main thing. Now here you are receiving from customer, but you don't keep that amount with you. Maybe month end or okay, next month you will pay. Right or wrong? But you are paying to vendor also. Right or wrong? Two times ఇక్కడ కూడా అవుతుంది. But that amount which you are paying to vendor, if it is eligible for return, government will return back. Government will return back. Hope you got my point. Okay, right. Then shall we go to the next one? Yeah, here. What is the first step? Creation of
Sales contract.
sales contract. Then
Creation of sales order.
sorry, remaining order you people know, right? Okay, how to make the bank payment and everything you people can, right? Yeah. Creation of sales. Payment wise same and now how much okay we will receive payment? 1,10,000. Okay, at the time of DRS you will knock off that 1,10,000. Okay, right. So 10 quantity. How much? Then post goods delivery. To what is the accounting entry?
Cost of goods sold account.
COGS account to debit. How much?
80,000.
To
Finished good inventory account.
initial goods. What is the fourth one? Customer billing. What is the accounting entry? Customer account debit. You people know that is the reason I am writing how much? 1 lakh. 2 sales revenue. How much? The 2 I GST
Output tax account.
output. How much?
10,000.
Everyone is clear, right? Then what is the next one?
Customer payment.
Customer payment received. What is the accounting entry? What is the accounting entry?
Check issue clearing account.
Check issue. Check deposit account. Check deposit clearing account. How much? 1 lakh. 2
Customer account.
customer. Then
BRS.
B. What is the accounting entry?
Main bank account debit.
Main bank account. One lakh. 2
Check deposit clearing account.
please note.
So here we have sent 1,10,000. So we didn't write it vendor payment. For this, we need to send 1,10,000 or we need to
1 lakh
add
one.
this.
1 lakh one.
1 lakh.
1 lakh one.
Is it right?
That 10,000.
Vendor payment should be 1 lakh.
1 lakh one. Right? Remaining 10,000 you will pay to government. Oh, okay.
Sir, in customer we don't have RCM. Hope you got my point. RCM for purchases. So.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
I have a general question. All these taxes are applicable only in India, right? So how do we affect the other countries? If we do it.
No, how you can say tax is applicable in India only?
No, no. I'm just saying this SGST and
We have
CGST
VAT.
entries.
In other countries we have VAT, right? Maybe
Yes.
in India we have VATEX, right?
Yes.
Yeah, but anything, okay, you people should identify whether that is okay expenditure or revenue or liability or asset. That's
Okay,
it.
just the entry will be changing. The name of the entry will be changed. That's it, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay, okay.
The
Okay,
settings will
thank
be more or less same, but okay,
you.
20% it will be changed based on the countries.
Okay,
Okay.
okay. Yeah, fine. Thank you.
This
Shall we go to the next one?
conference will now be recorded.
Okay. Shall we go to the next one? So what is the next one? Customer vendor. Okay. Normally organizations, okay, whenever they purchase material or whenever they say, okay, goods, don't think that one they will go and they will purchase, okay, immediately with, okay, by paying total amount. First they will pay some, okay, advance. After that vendor, okay, delivering the goods, they will take some time, then they will pay remaining amount. Even, okay, whenever you want to purchase any mobile or laptop, okay, on loan base, you will pay EMIs, right? Or at the same time, you will give some advance and, okay, you will take that goods and, okay, after that one, you will pay amount. There are different options, right? I always, okay, try to tell to the students, you are learning business software. You are learning business software application. So you should think from company point of view. What are the activities they do normally to run their show, to run their business? This is one of the important one, right? So, okay, we will divide this one into two ways. One is vendor advances. Vendor advances. This vendor advances you can call as down payments also. You can call as
Down payment.
down payments also. In SAP, we will call this one as special GL transaction. What is that? Special GL transaction. So from now onwards, if anyone asks advances or down payments or special GL transactions, okay, three are same. Three are same. You people should okay remember. So normally, what is advances? I have called some vendor. I have okay in my company I have identified some material is required for, okay, to manufacturing product. So I have identified one vendor who will provide that material. I have called him. I have asked, okay, so I am calling from so and so company. I need some 1,000 quantity material or 100 quantity material. Then they have agreed to deliver that, but they don't know who I am, right? And what my company and everything. Then okay, what they say, you should pay total amount. You should pay total amount upfront. Then only we will deliver. Then I have requested them how I can pay total amount because it is some 10 lakhs or 20 lakhs. I do one thing. First, I will pay some advance. First, I will pay some advance, maybe 20% or 30% or okay, whatever it may be. Then once you deliver the goods, I will pay remaining. It may take some 1 week or 10 days time. Immediately they cannot send, right or wrong? For example, today if you raise the purchase order and everything, they may take 1 week or 10 days time because they should again they should arrange their material, right or wrong, to send to us. Hope you got my point. So meanwhile, to start their production or to arrange this all stock, they also need fund, right or wrong? That is when they ask some amount from us. So this is the first time dealing, so we also should pay. Maybe if we have some rapport after some time, without having advance, they may send. Hope you got my point. Okay. But 99% cases, 99% cases, organization means B2B transactions, it will be happen. What is B2B? Business to business.
Business to business.
Okay, B2B means business to business. Always okay, one business they will pay some amount to other business and they will send the material and we will pay the remaining. Hope you got one. That concept what we call advances. In advances, normally, what are the structure? It will be create down payment cost. As usual here, no accounting entry. Okay, will be posted. Here, not only in SAP, even in real time, normally, whatever the software they are using, this is just a request. This is just a request. We have raised it. Okay, this much amount we should pay to the vendor as an advance. Hope we got moment because you people should understand few things. In organization, there will be some approval system. Right or wrong? You decide yourself if I want to pay some amount to vendor. Organization MD should know that vendor is your brother-in-law, your brother. Right or wrong? Hope you got moment. That is the reason there will be some approval system. There will be some. You have normally if you raise that request, your manager should be approved. Right or wrong? Hope you got my point. Right. So what is the first one? Create down payment. Then post down payment. Post down payment to vendor. What is the accounting entry? Anyone? What is the accounting entry? I don't discuss technically. I discuss technically when we have that concept. But if you first you people should understand accounting entries. Okay, right. Tell me. You are paying amount to vendor. What is the accounting entry? Vendor accounted to bank account. Vendor accounted to bank account or check clearing account, whatever it means. So, can anyone go? Sunday and గుర్తు చేస్తున్నట్టున్నాను. Right? Vendor account debit. Just using the 20,000 we are paying as advance to check clearing account, check issue account or bank account, whatever it may be. To check issue or bank account. How much? 20,000. Done. Third one. What is the third one? Post vendor invoice. We will receive the material. That is the different thing. If you receive the material, then again see. For example, if you go in a proper way through logistics, then what is the accounting entry? Goods received. Goods received. What is the accounting entry?
COGS to
Raw material,
Inventory account data.
inventory account, debit. How much? 1 lakh. How much? To GRIR. How much?
1 lakh.
So you have paid advance 20,000. How much goods they have sent? 1 lakh. Right? So now, what is the fourth one? Post vendor invoice. What is the accounting entry?
GRI account data to vendor account.
GRIR. Okay, clearing account. How much? There is no change. Okay, raising invoice. How much amount they have sent? 1 lakh. So you will raise invoice for 1 lakh. How much? Yeah. What is the fifth one? Vendor payment. Okay, yeah, tell me. What is the accounting entry?
Vendor account data to check issue clearance account.
Vendor account. How much? How much? How much? Because see, you already paid 20,000, right? ఇంకా ఎంత pay చేయాలండి?
80,000.
balance amount 80. Okay.
To check issue. At the time of BRS.
Check issue
What is that?
clearance account data to main bank account.
Check
Issue clearance account data to main bank account.
clearing account. How much? If you pay this one also, if you want to clear this one also, you can clear here. Total it will be, okay, I will write, okay, for your understanding purpose, 20,000 and
80,000.
check issue clearing account. How much? 80,000. Then
To main bank account.
how much?
1 lakh.
Okay, hope you got me. Here also, if you want to write 20,000, 80,000, you can write. Okay, no problem for that one. Okay, because system will take 20,000, 20,000, 80,000, 80,000. Okay, hope you got my point. So here also main bank 20,000, main bank 80,000. Okay, for your better understanding purpose, you can know. Okay, write it down in that way only. Hope everyone is clear, right? Hope everyone is clear, right? So coming to advances, first okay, we will pay some advance to vendor. Then only they will send material, full amount material. Then we will okay receive the goods and as well as okay we will raise the vendor invoice. Then we will make the payment. Then we will do the BRS. Shall we go to the customer one? Shall we go to the customer one? Tell me. What is the first one? Create
Down payment from customers.
down payment request. No. Then what is that one? Post
down payment.
down payment. Huh? What is the accounting entry?
Check issue account.
What is the accounting entry?
Check
Check deposit account, because the organization is receiving amount, right? Check deposit account or bank account or bank. How much? To
Customer account.
customer. Then
Goods received.
next one. Not only okay, sales contract, sale order, everything it will be raised. Okay, those are the okay, different things. Then you can say post goods
to customer.
delivery to customer. What is the accounting entry?
Cost of goods sold account.
Cost of
Sold account debit.
how much?
80,000.
To
Initial use inventory account.
then
Customer billing invoice.
post customer billing invoice. What is the accounting entry?
Customer account debit to GRIR account.
Sir. Customer account debit. How much? To
Sales revenue.
sales. GRIR ఎక్కడ వస్తుంది సార్?
Purchase.
పర్చేస్ లో వస్తుంది సార్ GRIR, నాట్ ఇన్ సేల్స్. ఓకే, ఇంకా 5 hours ఉంది సార్ మ్యాచ్ కి. ఏమన్నంటే ఫాస్ట్ గా అయిపోవాలని చెప్పి నాన్న ఆలోచిస్తున్నారు. రైట్, నెక్స్ట్
Customer payment.
కస్టమర్ పేమెంట్ what is the accounting entry?
Check deposit account to customer account.
Check
Deposit account debit to customer.
how much? How much? దీనికి ఇక్కడ కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అవుతారేమో, దీనికి 70,000 పెడదాం. నా గూడ్స్ వాల్యూ ఎంత అండి? 70,000. ఓకే, దీన్ని మళ్ళీ కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అవుతుంది. ఈ రోజు బాగానే ఉంటుంది, ఒక మీకు 10 days పోయిన తర్వాత, ఎందుకంటే రెగ్యులర్ గా మనం చదవం, రెగ్యులర్ గా మనం ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి. ఎప్పుడో మళ్ళీ మూడు వస్తుంది. ఓకే, ఉగాది పంచాంగం చదివిన తర్వాత జేసీ గారు ఏదో టైం బాగుంది నీది రైట్, ఒకసారి ఫస్ట్ నుంచి చూసుకోవాలంటే అప్పుడు దాన్ని అగైన్ యూ ఓపెన్ ద బుక్స్. ఓకే, ఎనీవేస్, సో చెక్ డిపాజిట్ అకౌంట్ డెబిట్ టు కస్టమర్. Then what is the next one?
BRS.
What is the accounting entry?
Main account debit. Check deposit.
Main bank account to debit. I will say 20,000. But here coming to customer case, sometimes customer directly deposit in bank also, advance amount. Hope you got over. Then normally which account you will take, check deposit or bank account, that is the different thing. Okay, that is the case to case, it will vary. Okay, but we will follow the standard one. Okay, main bank account debit. How much?
80,000.
to
Check deposit clearing account.
check deposit clearing date. 20,000 and to check deposit okay, please note it.
This conference will now be recorded.
Yeah. This one, you see, I simply say with you all, this is material value. Material value. How much value of material you are sending to customer? Okay. But this one and this one, this one, not at all related. This entry. Hope you got one. Not at all related to this entry. For example, see, you have manufactured this product. This product, okay, marker value is just assume that 70,000. 70,000. This marker value is how much? Okay, price you are selling 1 lakh. How much price you are selling? 1 lakh. Okay, 70,000. Okay, 1 lakh minus 70,000. How much your profit? 30,000. That is okay.
So
Thing you need to,
that is excluding profit, right, sir?
sorry.
That is excluding profit, the
Yes.
cost, pure cost.
Yes. That 70,000 is excluding profit. This is our manufacturing plus sales related expenses cost.
Could you please write it, sir, for future clearance purpose?
Okay, na? Go to the next one. ఇంకెన్ని ఉన్నాయి అని అనుకుంటున్నారా? Hope you people are getting some clarity, right? Now, okay, these all are very, very important, okay, because any business you take, what are the things we are discussing since last 4 days or 5 days? Any business you take, okay, they will post these all accounting entries. Either they use SAP or Oracle or Tally. Maybe some people may follow one type of structure, some people will follow another type of structure. But transaction is transaction, accounting entry is accounting entry. Hope it. Okay, for example, they have paid customer advance. What is the accounting entry? Vendor account and bank account. Whether they follow SAP or Oracle or Tally. Hope you got my point. Okay. Shall we go to the next one? What is the next one? In FI module, there are 5 important submodules. What are those? GL accounting, accounts payable, accounts receivable, fixed asset accounting, bank accounting. If you clearly observe, I have touched GL. We have discussed about GL. We have discussed about accounts payable. We have discussed about accounts receivable. Every transaction we have discussed about bank account management also. Check issue account, check deposit account, main bank account. Now what is the next one? Fixed asset. Okay. So now tell me, if you take any organization, in the world, what are the different transactions or activities the organization will do by using fixed assets? Hope you understand my question. My question, you take any organization, for example, you only have started your own organization. Okay, will you arrange some fixed assets for your organization or not? Maybe, okay, furniture, right? Or machinery, right? Electrical equipment, right? As well as IT equipment like okay, hardware or software, right? These all are right. My question here: what are the activities or transactions organizations will do by using fixed assets?
Depreciation accounting, purchase and sale.
Good, good. Any other?
Scrap.
Production material they will do production, but fixed assets they don't do production, right? Okay. We don't call purchase, but normally a purchase of asset, right? But we should not call that is a purchase. We should call that is acquisition. We should call that is material wise. People always should try to use the word procurement. Coming to asset, you try to use the word acquisition. Okay. Please, okay, from now onwards, try to use business terminology, not normal terminology. Purchase, okay, everyone will okay talk, but always try to use procurement. Coming to asset, you always try to use acquisition. Okay, not purchase or not procurement, acquisition. Okay, right. So acquisition, and we call APC also acquisition and production cost. Some okay assets organization will build their self. Oh, we got open. For example, okay, this is the land I have purchased for my organization. On this land, I am constructing building. Oh, we got open. So I am okay producing right or wrong. So I am constructing. So that is the reason normally you always try to use acquisition or APC. APC means acquisition and production cost. Okay, hope you got my point. So acquisition, first one, and second one, as madam told that one depreciation, right? Depreciation, we calculate depreciation on assets. Sometimes we do scrap, right or wrong. For example, I have purchased one AC for my office uses purpose. They have given some 5 years warranty, but fourth year or okay, third year it got damaged. I have called them. They have seen, no sir, it is not okay. We cannot use. We cannot use it. Totally damaged. It totally damaged. Okay, whether we will get warranty or not, that is a different thing. Hope you got my point. But what they told that one, we cannot use that one. Will you do scrap or not? Will you do scrap or not? So asset acquisition is one okay activity normally organization will do. Second one is depreciation, and third one is scrap. Fourth one, I don't know how many people knows. This is our institute, right or wrong? And opposite also we have, right? Okay, normally we have started there only. But after some months we have okay identified this because okay we are not getting some space there. Then that is the reason we have taken this one and we have arranged everything. The chairs which you are sitting now, this blue color chairs. Okay, initially we have arranged these chairs there, but after I have taken this one, I have okay brought these chairs from that premises to this premises. It is nothing but asset transfer. It is nothing but for me chair also asset, right or wrong? For organization chair also asset, right or wrong? So asset transfer. So what are the activities normally we have discussed? Acquisition, depreciation, scrap, transfer.
Asset
Then
transfer.
sale. Fifth one, sale. Okay, I have purchased this AC. After 2 years, 3 years usage, I sold. Again, okay, I will buy another new one. Hope we got my point. So these are the main 5 okay activities you people always should remember coming to fixed asset. Coming to fixed asset account. Okay, right. What is the first one? Asset acquisition. Okay. What is second one? Asset depreciation. Then asset scrap.
Scrap.
Then
Asset transfer.
asset asset. These are the 5 transactions you people always should remember coming to fixed assets. So 5 accounting entries also. Now this asset acquisition, Again, I will divide it into three ways. One is asset acquisition without logistics module integration. Okay, that means, sir, whenever we are using logistics module integration, either MM also will be involved, or PP also will be involved, or ST, okay, will be involved. So here asset procurement, asset acquisition, right? Okay, so here which module it will involve? Asset procurement. Which module it will involve? MM module. Procurement is nothing but purchase. Okay, acquisition is nothing but purchase. So MM module will be involved. So whenever MM module involved as integration, okay, the flow will start from purchase requisition. After that, purchase order. Your asset also you will treat as a goods. Okay, you will receive that asset. Okay, like asset account debit to GRIR account. Asset account debit to GRIR instead of raw material inventory. Hope you got my point. Okay, so in that way also organization can go, or in this way also organization can go. That is totally organization call. How they will go. Hope you got my point. Right. So what is second one? Asset acquisition with logistics module integration. Then third one, this is normally you people just understand at present moment. After that we will discuss asset acquisition in change it little bit technically. That is when people try to understand how we will post that accounting entry for asset acquisition in S4. Okay, right? Because this is the latest one, right? You people should understand. Okay, right? Anyways, so now asset acquisition without logistic module. You are purchasing asset from market. Forget about integration part. Okay, what is the accounting entry? Forget about SAB, forget about integration part and everything. What is the you have purchased asset for your organization? What is the accounting entry? Asset account.
Asset account data to
Asset
bank
account
account.
data to bank account.
90% cases directly we don't purchase. We purchase from vendors. We purchase from vendors. What is the accounting entry? I don't write all things vendor account and bank account. These all things, those all are common. So what is the accounting entry for asset acquisition? Asset account debit to vendor. Right? Then vendor account and bank check issue account and payment account. That is the common one. What is the accounting entry for asset acquisition? I am talking about only asset account acquisition, right? What is the accounting entry? Asset account debit to, for example, it is just as in that 1 lakh. Okay, hope everyone is clear. Now here, what is the second one? Asset acquisition with logistics module integration. You are purchasing asset only, but you are not directly posting in finance. It is coming from MM module. It is coming from MM module. Then what is the accounting entry? Here, like goods received, we call as asset received. Asset received. What is the accounting entry? First one, it will post as asset account debit. How much? To GRIR clearing. How much? Second one. What is second entry? Okay, this is vendor invoice. Vendor invoice. What is the accounting entry? GRIR clearing account. To vendor. How much? 1 lakh. Okay, everyone is clear, right? If they are purchasing by using module, okay, what it means, as I already told you yesterday, FI is different module, CO is different module, is different module. Okay, ST is different module. Every module has their own programs. Every module has their own structure. If this what is module? Module is nothing but department in organization. Module is nothing but department in organization. Here in materials department, you are creating asset as material. You are creating asset as material. Then this flow will come. For example, you are not creating asset as material, just you are creating asset as asset in finance only. In finance only. Then hope you got no point. In this case, they will create as a material, you will create as an asset in finance. But in this case, they don't create any material. You just create as asset. You just create as asset. Hope you got no point. Okay, right. Then what is the next one? Asset acquisition in S4HANA. Here in S4HANA, they have changed some structure technically, but entry is entry. Sir, one thing, okay, I want to convey to you. What is SAP? SAP is just ERP application. You always keep that one in your mind. SAP don't change any accounting. Okay, hope you got one. SAP never ever. Okay, it will not touch because what is accounting entry? Since last 100 years we are following that. P&L statement, balance sheet, liability, asset, income, expenditure. Okay, who is SAP to change these all things? So SAP will not change any accounting entries and these all things, but they may change their application structure. Their application structure to give the best output to the business. To give the best output to the business. In the same way here in asset account in S4HANA, okay, SAP has changed some structural changes in asset accounting. So here how the entry will be posted. At any case, asset should be debit. Asset account debit. 2, they have introduced asset technical clearing account. Asset technical clearing account. This is first part. This part we call as valuation part. Asset valuation part. This part what we call? Asset valuation part. Okay, this part what we call? Asset valuation. The second, okay, you should post like your GRIR. This is what it is? Asset technical clearing account. Then, but you are purchasing from vendor only, right or wrong? Then what is the second entry? Asset technical clearing account debit. How much? To vendor. How much? 1 lakh. This part we call as operational part. This part we call as
Operational part.
if anyone asks, okay, from today onwards, what is the asset acquisition accounting entry in S4HANA? Please don't say like this. Please don't say like this. You should say this way. Hope you got me. Normally, in interviews, they will ask, okay, yes, organization, your client has purchased asset. What is the accounting entry? We say asset account to vendor account. Or if you have any some integration knowledge, then you will say, okay, asset account debit to GRIR clearing account, GRIR clearing account to vendor account. Then they may ask you, what is the accounting entry you will post in S4HANA for asset acquisition? You should not say this one. You should not say this one. Okay, you people should explain this way. We have 2 parts. Okay, we have 2 entries in S4HANA for asset acquisition. The first one is asset valuation part. What is the accounting entry? Asset account debit to asset technical clearing. Then what is the second entry? Okay, asset technical clearing account to vendor account. The second part we call as operation. Okay, hope you got me. Why they have introduced these all things? Okay, we will discuss in S4HANA. Forget about it. First, you try to understand the accounting. Okay, right. Then what is the second one? asset depreciation. What is the accounting entry for asset depreciation?
Depreciation to accumulated depreciation.
Sir, one small doubt.
Yes.
So there is no difference between a logistic and without logistic, right?
Yes. Sir. Okay.
Yes, sir. Fine.
What is the accounting entry for depreciation?
Depreciation to accumulated depreciation.
Okay. Any other answer? In your accounts? Depreciation account data to asset account. Depreciation account data to asset account. But coming to corporate books, we never ever touch main asset while you are posting depreciation. Hope you got my point. While you are posting normally in interviews, we will ask what is the accounting entry for rent. 90% people will say rent account or cash account. The first wrong thing you people will do. You people normally will put in your resume, I have done one project, two project, or you will put you are applying as a fresher, you have learned some course in some institute, but if I ask what is the accounting entry for rent, 99% people will say rent account to cash account. The first wrong answer. We never ever we should not use cash. We always should use bank. The second question normally we ask if we want to understand whether you have some grip on corporate accounting or not. What is the accounting entry for depreciation? 99% people will say depreciation accounted to asset. The answer is right. The answer is right. But corporates, they don't follow it. Hope you got my point. Normally, what is the accounting entry? Depreciation accounted to not asset. We never ever deduct value from, for example, I have purchased that particular AC for 1 lakh. Every year I don't touch that 1 lakh and I will deduct that amount from that particular asset. Parallelly, I will maintain that is asset, right? Or in balance sheet side, I will maintain as asset. Parallelly, I will open another liability account. Another liability account. Yesterday I have discussed it, right? Your sales revenue account is 1 lakh. Your sales expenses is 10,000. What is the net value? 90,000. What is the net value? In the same way here also, my asset acquisition value is how much? 1 lakh. But I create one more liability account in balance sheet. I don't touch that 1 lakh. I don't touch that 1 lakh. Every whenever I calculate depreciation, I will credit to that particular liability account. I will credit to that particular liability account. So 1 lakh it will show as asset side, and my just assume that depreciation is 10,000. This 10,000 it will be updated in my liability account. So what is the net book value? 90. What is the net book value? That is the reason you people should understand from now onwards, we never ever touch main asset while calculating depreciation. While calculating depreciation. Hope you got my point. At least in SAP. I don't talk about any other ERPs in this case. At least in SAP, we never ever touch the main asset value while we are calculating depreciation. So what is the accounting entry for asset depreciation? Depreciation account debit. Just assume that it is 10,000 to accumulated depreciation account. Accumulated depreciation. How much? So if your asset, for example, your asset is this one. What is the balance? Debit balance always, right? This is debit. This is credit. Debit, how much value? 1 lakh. So now accumulated depreciation, just assume that. What is the value? 10,000. Now what is our net book value? 90. You always should remember this one. I never ever touch this acquisition value. I create separate liability account for depreciation. Deduction. Hope we got my point. So this depreciation is P&L account and expenses GL. P&L account and expenses GL. This accumulated depreciation is
Balance sheet.
And
Liability.
And coming to this asset, it is Balance sheet account and
Asset account.
hope you got my point. So against this asset, I am creating liability. I am creating liability. So now, whenever I want to calculate net book value, this asset value minus accumulated depreciation. Asset value minus accumulated. Then okay, I will say, see, this time 1 lakh minus 10,000. Then what is my net book value? 92. Hope you got my point. If anyone asks from today onwards, please don't say, okay, depreciation account to asset account. Okay, for depreciation accounting entry. What is the accounting entry? People should say depreciation account to accumulated depreciation account. Okay, right? Okay, right. Done. Cracking interview is very easy, sir. If you follow fundamentals. If you follow fundamentals. But we don't follow that fundamentals. That is the reason we always feel pressure. We always then we say no, I am not selecting interviews. Learn the subject in a proper way, technically, functionally. You should have grip on accounting entries. Seriously, I am telling that. Seriously, attend. Don't what I can say. Don't demotivate yourself for 1 or 2 interviews. Attend at least 10 interviews. Interview, okay, one by one, whatever the questions they ask, write on paper. Okay, try to get the answers for that one. Before you attend a 10th interview only, the offer letter will be in your mail. But we don't follow these all things. Hardly people will attend 1 or 2 interviews. 1 or 2 interviews, if people will get demotivated, and if people will start saying we don't have jobs, and there is recession, and there is no jobs in SAP. SAP is very tough. Right or wrong? We will give a comments like anything. We also came from your side only. Right or wrong? Hope you people understand. So you people should try to see academics are totally different. Now you are entering into companies. You people always should think from company point of view. Hope you got moment. How they do accounting, how they do accounting, how they do accounting. Take any one industry as per your interest. As per your interest, take any one industry. You people try to learn from top to bottom for that industry. How they are purchasing material, how they are producing their material, how they are selling their material. Hope you got what are the activities it is involving, what are the different customers they have, what are the different vendors they have. If you get this type of information, if you get this type of knowledge, at least for next 3 to 6 months, you will get almost 20 to 30 years career. 20 to 30 years career. మీకు ఇది చెప్పి అక్కడ బయటికి వెళ్ళినప్పుడు కూడా ఐఎమ్ రీడింగ్ సమ్ న్యూస్. AI will impact jobs. 100% I say that. I never ever say AI will not impact jobs. Okay, but AI will not replace human mind. ఇది యూజ్ చేసినోడికి ఎక్కడికి వెళ్ళినా ఏం వచ్చినా AI కదా. AI ఎవరు సార్? క్రియేటర్. AI క్రియేటర్ ఎవరు సార్? హ్యూమన్ బీయింగ్. హ్యూమన్ రైట్ ఆర్ రాంగ్? దాన్ని మళ్ళీ కొట్టాలని ఎవడు కొడతాడు సార్? దట్స్ ఇట్ అంతే. దానికి మించి ఏమీ లేదనమాట. హోప్ యు గాట్ మై పాయింట్. సో మీరు నేర్చుకునేది కరెక్ట్గా నేర్చుకుని ఎందుకు ఇది జరుగుతుంది, ఎలా జరుగుతుంది, ద రీజన్ బిహైండ్ ప్రతి దానికి వై ఇట్ ఈస్ హ్యాపెనింగ్, వై ఇట్ ఈస్ హ్యాపెనింగ్, హౌ సిస్టమ్ ఈస్ రియాక్టింగ్. You people always should try to understand that. Right. Anyways, so you always should remember depreciation is P&L and expenses, and accumulated depreciation is balance sheet and liability. Everyone is clear, right? And the main asset is balance sheet assets. Right. Then asset scrap. Normally I have purchased one asset with 1 lakh value. They told that one lifetime of that asset is 5 years. Lifetime that asset is 5 years. I thought that one it is 5 years 1 lakh, so every year 20,000 is the depreciation. Every year how much? 20, because 20,000 into 5 years how much? 1 lakh, right? After 5 years I can that value become 0, that net book value become 0. But suddenly on third year it has damaged. I called repair mechanic, and he checked that one, and he told that one, no, we cannot use that AC at any cost. We should scrap or not? So now tell me, what is going out from the organization? Asset, right? What is going out from organization? Asset. To asset. How much value? How much value? Because I am not touching, okay, acquisition value. I am not touching acquisition value because I have created liability separately. If I am touching, okay, acquisition value, then I may give here 70,000 or 80,000. What is the net book value I have? But okay, as I already told you, we never ever touch acquisition value. We create parallelly liability. That is the reason. How much value of asset is it is going out from organization? 1 lakh. Okay, so now okay, I am sending my asset from outside of the organization. I am scrapping. That means I am removing from my books. I am removing from my books. How much value? Now what? Okay, I should debit. Anyone? I should debit
Profit and loss.
accumulated
Accumulated depreciation.
Depreciation.
accumulated depreciation account debit. How much till now? Just okay. Assume that I have calculated some 60,000 depreciation. 3 years అనుకున్నాను కదా, రైట్? హౌ మచ్? 60,000. ఓకే, సో అసెట్ ని బయటికి పంపిస్తున్నప్పుడు లైబిలిటీని కూడా రివర్స్ చేయాలి కదా, రైట్ అన్నా? సో దట్ ఈస్ ద రీజన్ లైబిలిటీ accumulated depreciation always credit balance. Accumulated depreciation always credit. That is the reason now I put that one as a debit. Now okay, knock off అయిపోయిందా లేదా, రైట్? ఓకే, now what is the difference one? What is the difference one?
40,000.
Gain or loss.
40,000.
Asset scrap.
Scrap.
Asset scrap account debit. How much?
40,000.
How much? This is the accounting entry. If you remember, coming to asset scrap. If you touch acquisition value, then okay, maybe. But in a SAP, we are learning SAP. We are learning SAP. That is the reason I don't talk about okay, Ravi Showcase software and these all things. Okay, we are okay learning SAP. So in SAP, how we treat? In SAP, we never ever touch acquisition value. Okay, organizations we never touch acquisition value. Sir, I have learned Tally. In Tally, we are directly posting depreciation account to main asset. So here we have taken accumulated depreciation account. Maybe in Tally that is the different software. They are giving that functionality. Hope you got my point. But this is the proper way and this is the correct way. Hope you got my point. Okay, so whenever you calculate depreciation, you are creating another liability parallelly for this asset. For this asset. That is the reason now you are sending that asset outside of the organization. Hope you got my point. So whenever you are sending total value, till now what is the liability you have created? That should be reversed or not? That should be reversed or not? That is the reason we have reversed the accumulated depreciation. Okay, credit it became okay debit. Now how much amount is remaining?
40,000.
If it works properly, I can use that asset for next 2 years, right or wrong? That next 2 years, every year I can calculate 20,000 depreciation. But now I am okay losing that one usage of that asset. How much loss I have incurred? 40. Everyone is clear, right? Shall we go to the next one? What is the next one? సండే కదా, స్లోగా ఒక్కొక్కరు తగ్గుతున్నారు ఆన్లైన్లో. 28 అంతా స్టార్ట్ అయింది, 18కి వచ్చింది. ఇంకో 1 అవర్ చెప్పాను అనుకోండి, 18:10 అవుతుంది. మధ్యాహ్నం కూడా చెప్పాను అనుకోండి, రైట్? ఓకే, 10:05 అవుతుంది. మీరు కూడా వస్తారు, రైట్? ఇదంతా నాకు లాస్ట్ 8 years నుంచి కామన్ అయిపోయింది. లాస్ట్ 8 years నుంచి కామన్ అయిపోయింది. ఓకే, ప్రతి బ్యాచ్కి చెప్పడం, ప్రతి బ్యాచ్కి ఇది అవ్వడం. ఓకే, రైట్ రైట్. నెక్స్ట్, transfer. As I already told you, these chairs I have transferred from that premises to this premises. Just assume that premises is okay one plant, this premises is another plant. Plant to plant transfer. In organization, you people should understand few things. Organizations always will prepare P&L statement, balance sheet at company code level, that at legal entity level, right? Hope you people know that. In academics also, you people have learned P&L statement, right? For the year end 31st March for XYZ Limited, ABC Limited. Balance sheet as on 31st March 2025 or whatever may be for ABC Limited, okay, XYZ Limited. Organization always will prepare P&L statement, balance sheet for company code or for legal entity. Okay, for your case, okay, legal entity. I agree with that one. Apart from that legal entity, okay, if they are preparing, okay, at legal entity level, we don't have any, okay, asset transfer entry. We don't have any asset because within the company code only you are transferring from one plant to another plant within legal entity only. Right? Hope you got my point. There also I3IT solutions. Here also I3IT solutions. What is the farak? Okay, right or wrong? If I, okay, bring that particular chair from that premises to this premises, because I am preparing my financial statement at legal entity level. I3IT solutions level. అక్కడ ఉన్న చైర్ నాకేం పోయింది లేదు, ఇక్కడ ఉన్న పోయింది. రైట్ ఆర్ రాంగ్? ఇన్ మై బ్యాలెన్స్ షీట్ ఐ విల్ షో చైర్స్, దట్స్ ఇట్. ఓకే, బ్యాలెన్స్ షీట్ యాజ్ ఆన్ 31st March 2025 or 2024 for I3IT Solutions Limited chairs. This is the value. Hope you got moment. But organization within the organizations will prepare P&L statement, balance sheet at different levels. Tomorrow class, okay, I will take, okay, that one. From tomorrow onwards, slowly we will go to technical way and okay, organization way. Then you people will understand. But okay, upfront I am telling you, organizations, they prepare financial statements at legal entity level. That is okay. But apart from legal entity level, they will prepare financial statements at different levels also, like plant level. Sometimes you people, okay, maybe I don't know how many people follows news. మన న్యూస్ అంతా స్క్రాప్ అనుకోండి, అది వేరే విషయం. ఓకే, సీరియస్లీ ఐ ఆల్వేస్ ట్రై టు ఓకే అబ్జర్వ్ దట్ న్యూస్. కొన్ని ఛానల్స్ ఐ డోంట్ ఓకే రివీల్ దట్ ఛానల్ నేమ్స్ ఇస్తాయి. మెయిన్ న్యూస్ అని, టాప్ న్యూస్ అని, 4 minutes న్యూస్ అని, 5 minutes న్యూస్ అని, రైట్ అరా 24 points, ఓకే 30 points లైక్ దట్. నేను అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తాను అనమాట ఎప్పుడన్నా. 1, 2, 3, 4 కదా, రైట్ అరా ఇలాగ వెళ్తాయి కదా న్యూస్. చెత్త న్యూస్ అంతా కూడా ఓకే ఫస్ట్ 20 points, 22 points లో చెప్పి ఇంటర్నేషనల్ న్యూస్, బిజినెస్ న్యూస్ లాస్ట్ 1.2 points లో చెప్తారు. ఇఫ్ రియల్లీ యూ వాంట్ టు డెవలప్ యూత్ ఆర్ ఇఫ్ యూ రియల్లీ యూ వాంట్ టు డెవలప్ కంట్రీ, ఫస్ట్ రావాల్సింది ఏంటి సార్? ఇంటర్నేషనల్ న్యూస్. ఫస్ట్ పాయింట్ ఏం రావాలి సార్? ఇంటర్నేషనల్ న్యూస్. సెకండ్ రావాల్సింది ఏంటి సార్? బిజినెస్ న్యూస్. సెకండ్ రావాల్సింది ఏంటి సార్? బిజినెస్ న్యూస్. థర్డ్ రావాల్సింది ఏంటి సార్? నేషనల్ న్యూస్. ఆడేవాడు ఆడిని లేదో కలిస్తే ఈడికి, ఈడేళ్ళు కలిస్తే ఈడికి, ఆడినేవాడు తిట్టి నాకు అనిపిస్తుంది ఏంట్రా మూవీ స్క్రాప్ అంతా అని. రైట్ ఆర్ రాంగ్? ఓకే, నిజంగా మీకు ఏదైనా పాయింట్స్, వ్యాలిడ్ పాయింట్స్ మీకు ఏదైనా రావాలి అంటే ఇంటర్నేషనల్ న్యూస్ నుంచి వస్తాయి, బిజినెస్ న్యూస్ నుంచి వస్తాయి, లేదా నేషనల్ న్యూస్ నుంచి వస్తాయి. ఓకే, ఎనీవేస్ దట్ ఈస్ ద డిఫరెంట్ థింగ్, వాట్ ఎవర్ ఇట్ మే బి. ఓకే, బట్ యూ పీపుల్ ట్రై టు అండర్స్టాండ్. బట్ మనం కూడా దేని మీద ఫోకస్ చేస్తామండి. మీకు ఎలా న్యూస్ పేపర్ ఇచ్చారనుకోండి, ఫస్ట్ మీరు వెళ్ళే దేనికి వెళ్తారు? ఏ పేజ్కి వెళ్తారు? సినిమా న్యూస్, స్పోర్ట్స్ న్యూస్. సినిమా న్యూస్, అదేదో మూవీలో చెప్తాడు, ధ్రువ అనే మూవీలోనూ దేంట్లోనూ. ఓకే, ప్రపంచం మొత్తం నడిచేది ఏ పేజ్ మీద నడుస్తుందండి? బిజినెస్. ఓకే, బిజినెస్ పేజ్ మీద నడుస్తుంది. ప్రపంచం మొత్తం మీకు జరిగేది ఆట అంతా బిజినెస్ పేజ్ మీద జరుగుతుంది. బట్ ఆ బిజినెస్ పేజ్ ఓపెన్ చేయము, మనం బిజినెస్ పేజ్ ఓపెన్ చేయమన్నమాట. ఓకే, లీవ్ ఇట్. సో వాట్ ఐ మీన్ టు కన్వే, ఆర్గనైజేషన్స్ ఆల్వేస్ దే ప్రిపేర్ ఫైనాన్స్. ఐ డోంట్ నో హౌ మెనీ పీపుల్ అబ్జర్వ్ దిస్ న్యూస్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్. సమ్ టైమ్స్ we will get the point. What I want to convey, so and so plant it has closed for so and so company, right or wrong? For example, in AP Visakha Steels, okay, they try to close, right or wrong? They try to close. And coming to best thing, I will tell you, you people know about this Tata Nano car. Tata Nano car, okay, 4 years back or 5 years back they have launched it, again they have stopped. Why they have stopped? Why they have stopped?
Because there's no market for those products.
Okay, how they came to know? Because there is no market for that product.
There's no sales.
How they came to know there is no sales? Sorry, that product is cost
quality.
failure. That product is cost failure. Not only that product, so many companies they will stop their products if the product is cost failure, if the product has no demand. How they came to know that product is cost failure? If they prepare what is the revenue they are getting, what is the cost they are getting, what is the liability they are generating, what is the asset they are generating at this product level, then only they will come to know whether this product is profitable or not. Right or wrong? Hope you got my point. Same way, organizations will prepare finance statement at different levels, not only at legal entity level. They will prepare at plant levels. They will prepare at office levels. They will prepare at different levels. Tomorrow we will discuss those all things. At what level they will do. Okay, these all things. What I mean to convey here in the particular asset transfer, if I transfer asset from one plant to another plant, while I am preparing finance statement for my legal entity, there is no change, because my share value is not changing anything, and that plant also belongs to my organization only. This plant also belongs to my organization only. Right or wrong? Hope you got my point. But in that organization, if they want to prepare finance statement separately for that plant and separately for this plant, to know the performance of the plants, hope you got my point. Then obviously the value also should be exchanged. The value should be 0 there from source. The value should be updated here in target. Right or wrong? Here the opposite premises is source. I brought that chair from that opposite premises. What is the target premises? This building. Hope you got my point. Okay, hope you got my point. So the value should become 0. Where? In source plant. The value should be updated. Where? In target. Okay, then the entry will be posted. The entry will be posted. Hope you got my point. No, sir. I have only one company. I have only one office. This is my office. I don't have any plants. I don't have anything. I will move this chair from this room to that room to that room. What is the difference? I don't prepare. That is your wish. That is your wish. Company, your wish, client wish. Hope you got my point. నాకు ఒకటే కంపెనీ ఉంది, నాకు ఒకటే ప్లాంట్ ఉంది, నాకు ఒకటే ఆఫీస్ ఉంది, నేను ఎక్కడికి మార్చను. I never ever transfer any asset. That is our wish. Then there is no accounting entry post. Hope you got my point. Correct. Now just assume that plant A to plant B, we are transferring asset. Just assume that plant A to plant B. Plant A purchased that particular asset 5 years back. Just assume that 3 years they have used. 3 years they have used. Depreciation is some yearly 20,000. Now after 3 years, they have thought that the asset should be transferred to plant B. The asset should be transferred to plant B. Now, what is the accounting entry to be posted? Which one we are sending? Asset. Asset of plant A. How much value?
1 lakh.
1 lakh. Then who is receiving?
Plant B.
Asset account. Who is receiving?
Plant B.
Plant B. How much value? How much value? I already told you, I never ever touch acquisition value. I never ever touch acquisition value. How much
Sir,
asset? 1 lakh. Hope you got moment. But that plant A has calculated depreciation or not till now? Okay, how much value they have calculated depreciation? 60,000. So it should be accumulated depreciation account. For which plant?
Plant A.
Plant A. Which plant? Plant A. How much?
60,000.
Now here accumulated depreciation account. Which plant? Plant. How much amount? Now normally if you take 2 books, the net book value is 40,000. The net book value is, you people always should remember, we never ever touch acquisition value. We parallelly build liability for depreciation. Hope you got it. Everyone is clear, right? Even company code to company code also same. Okay, hope you got my point. Okay, but there will be some profit or loss will come. Okay, hope you got my point. Okay, right. Then what is the next one? Any doubt coming to asset transfer?
transportation expenses may not be added, sir.
Any doubt coming to asset transfer?
Sir, am I audible?
Yes, tell me.
Transportation charges like that, we don't have any.
That is the different thing. That is the different thing.
Okay, fine.
Transportation any time. Yesterday also I have discussed transportation any time. Who are that transportation provider? That is the first thing you people should concentrate. Who are that transportation provider? Company own vehicle or company also taking other people vehicle. That is the first thing you people should observe. If company is providing own vehicle, you will treat as income. You are charging from customer. Just assume that you are charging from customer. Then it will be income to company because now own vehicle only. But for that one also I am charging from customer. I will treat that is a income. That petrol expenses, driver salary, this all will be treated as expenditure. Hope you got moment. If company is taking outsider vehicle, then I should pay to that particular vendor, right or wrong? I should treat that one as a vendor. I should create liability in my books. Hope you got a moment. Coming to transportation, you people try to understand. Here, for example, plant A to plant B, you are moving within your company code only. So the transportation charges will become expenditure. If you treat, that plant has a separate, this plant has separate. Plant A is separate, plant B is separate. But these two plants comes under one legal entity only. One legal, my legal entity is I3IT Solutions. Hope you got my point. Premises A, premises B. I have used one vehicle to transfer or one labor to transfer that asset from here there to here. Hope you got my point. That expenditure I should treat as a whatever the amount I have spent, that is a expenditure to me. Hope you got my point, right? Yeah. If you want to add that expenses also to asset, that is again different process. Hope you
Yeah,
got-
that's what my doubts are actually.
If you want to add that expenditure also asset, you should add same again. It will come here. Hope you got my point. But you are not you should not use vendor. We should create one more account and we should do that one. We can, if you want to capitalize that one amount also to asset, you can end it. But it totally based on client call. Totally based on client call. Whether they want to see as expenditure or whether they want to capitalize that particular amount also. Okay, sir?
Yes, sir. Clarified.
Yeah. Yeah. Right. Then what is the next one? Assets. Yeah. What is the accounting entry? చెప్పుకుంటూ వెళ్ళిపోదామండి. What is the accounting entry for asset sale?
To sale of asset account.
3 years that asset. Then I decided to sell that particular asset to some customer. Okay, whatever it may be. So what I am sending from my organization? What is the value? To whom I am selling? How much amount? नहीं చెప్పాలా? How much amount?
We have to deduct accumulated depreciation, sir.
I don't know how much amount we will sell, right? That asset acquisition value is 1 lakh. But I may sell for 1 lakh or I may sell for 1,20,000 or I may sell for 80,000. But already used asset, right or wrong? I will not get that 80,000. Just assume that I am selling for some we can say some 20,000. Already I have used 3 years and 1 lakh asset and 3 years accumulated depreciation. Net book value 40,000. బట్ నాది నెట్ బుక్ వాల్యూ 40,000. నువ్వు 40,000కి కొను అంటే కస్టమర్ అయినొచ్చు అనకపోవచ్చు, రైటరా నా సబ్జెక్ట్ వర్త్ 50,000 సార్. బట్ మా అమీర్పేట మార్కెట్లో 20,000కి ఇస్తున్నాను నేను. రైటరా, ఎందుకంటే మార్కెట్ బట్టి ఐ కెనాట్. రైటరా, హోప్ యూ గాట్ మై పాయింట్. ఐ నో ద వర్త్ ఆఫ్ సబ్జెక్ట్ వాట్ ఐ ఆమ్ గివింగ్. సీరియస్లీ ఐ ఆమ్ టెల్లింగ్ ఐ కెన్ ఛాలెంజ్ ఆల్సో. I tell you one thing, sorry, normally, it is a different one. 8 years back also my fees is 20,000 and 25,000 only. Srikanth is the witness. Srikanth is there na? Srikanth is the witness. 8 years back also my fees is 20,000, 25,000 only. At that time I used to provide the training only in FI. But after that I have introduced CO also up to some extent. Then also I have not changed fees 20,000, 25,000. Then after that I have introduced S4HANA also. But I have not changed fees 20,000, 25,000. బట్ స్టిల్ పీపుల్ విల్ కమ్, స్టిల్ పీపుల్ విల్ బార్గెన్ లైక్ ఎనీథింగ్స్. 15,000కి ఇస్తావా, 14,000కి ఇస్తావా, 12. ఒరే బాబు నేను ప్రాస్టిట్యూట్ని కాదురా బాబు, ఎలా పడితే అలాగ అమ్మడానికి అని చెప్పాలనిపిస్తూ ఉంటుంది అనమాట. బట్ ఓకే, ఉన్న మార్కెట్ బట్టి నేనేం మాట్లాడకుండా నువ్వేమిస్తా తీసుకుంటానికి, ఓకే సారీ టు సే అని చెప్పాలనిపిస్తూ ఉంటుంది అనమాట. బట్ నేను చెప్పకుండా కామ్గా ఓకే, బికాస్ దేర్ మైండ్ సెట్ ఈస్ దట్ వన్, రైట్ ఆర్ రాంగ్? ఐ కెనాట్. నేను ఇప్పుడు దీన్ని 10,000కి పెట్టాను అనుకోండి, మీరు వచ్చి 8,000కి కూడా అడుగుతారు. నేను ఇది 8,000 పెట్టాను అనుకోండి, మీరు వచ్చి 5,000కి కూడా పెడతారు. వి నెవర్ ఎవర్ వరీ అబౌట్ క్వాలిటీ. The main thing, okay, why we are losing so many things in our life means we never ever, okay, see about quality. మనకు వచ్చిందా లేదు, that's it. See, what is this one? SAP. మీరు ఈ ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్కి వెళ్ళినా దాన్ని SAP FSU అని అంటారు, ఆపోజిట్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్కి వెళ్ళినా దాన్ని SAP FSU అంటారు, ఓకే పక్క స్ట్రీట్లో ఇంకో ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్కి వెళ్ళినా దాన్ని SAP FSU అంటారు. యూ పీపుల్ విల్ థింక్ ఇన్ దట్ వే, but you people don't know what you will learn, okay, in other institute, what you will learn here, and you, okay, what you will learn in another, okay, another state, okay, you people don't know, because for you what is this one? నేను నేర్చుకుంటుంది SAP FSU. ఓకే, ఆడెవడో 10,000 అన్నాడు, నువ్వు ఎందుకు ఇవ్వవు 10,000? ఆడెవడో లైఫ్ టైమ్ యాక్సెస్ అన్నాడు, నువ్వు ఎందుకు ఇవ్వవు లైఫ్ టైమ్ యాక్సెస్? దీస్ ఆర్ ద క్వశ్చన్స్ నార్మల్లీ వి ఫేస్. You cross check. Since last 10 days, 15 days, we are okay discussing, right? Some of your friends has joined already in other institutes, okay, some of people are taking training from other institute, right? You just cross check the, okay, things which we have discussed in last 14 days, we compare with them. We never ever bother. We don't look for quality, first of all. We don't look for, not only this one, and I am talking totally. This watch I have purchased for around, okay, some 20,000 or like that. Okay, maybe నాకు తెలిసి ఒక 10 years అవుతాము, మేబీ 10 years అవుతాము. ఇప్పుడు చూసారా, నేను ఒక బెల్ట్ ఒకటే మార్చా. ఇదే వాచ్ మీరు కోటికి వెళ్ళారు అనుకోండి, ఎంతకు దొరుకుద్ది? 100, 200 కూడా దొరుకుతుంది. మీరు కనుక బండి స్టార్ట్ చేసి ఈ అంటే 50 రూపాయలు కూడా ఇచ్చేస్తారు. 50 రూపాయలు కూడా ఇచ్చేస్తారు. బట్ అది ఇంటికి వచ్చేదాకా ఉంటుందో ఉండదో కూడా తెలియదు. ఓకే, అది ఇంటికి వచ్చాక మీకు ఓకే వర్క్ అవుతుందో లేదో కూడా తెలియదు. మళ్ళీ వెళ్ళి మీరు అడగని కూడా అడగలేరు, ఎందుకంటే మళ్ళీ అంత దూరం వెళ్ళాలంటే మీ పెట్రోల్ వచ్చి ఒక 100 రూపాయలు. రైట్ ఆర్ రాంగ్? హోప్ యూ గాట్ మై పాయింట్. వాట్ ఐ మీన్ టు కన్వే, always, okay, go after quality. I am not talking about this training. Brand అంటారండి. Why? Because, okay, see, while you are purchasing the another, okay, worst thing I always observe in students, another worst thing, sorry to say, just ఒక ఫ్రెండ్లీగా మాట్లాడుతున్నా, సండే కదా, సండే కాబట్టి వదిలేండి సార్ అంటే అది వేరే విషయం, రైట్? ఓకే, బట్ ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ టు take any inputs from real time trainers, Sunday, Saturday is the best thing, because మా మైండ్లో ఇంకేం ఉండదు, మా మైండ్లో వర్క్ టెన్షన్స్ ఉండవు కదా, రైట్? చాలా ఫ్రీగా ఉంటాం అనమాట. ఓకే, అదే ఇప్పుడు మండే టు ఫ్రైడే అనుకోండి, మిమ్మల్ని హ్యాండిల్ చేయాలి, అక్కడ ఉండే మొగుల్ని హ్యాండిల్ చేయాలి, ఇంట్లో ఉన్న మొగుల్ని కూడా హ్యాండిల్ చేయాలి. సారీ, మొగుళ్ళు, ఓకే, అదే కరెక్ట్ పద్ధతి, రైట్? ఓకే, ఎనీవేస్ దేర్ ఆర్ డిఫరెంట్ థింగ్స్ అనమాట. నేను చాలా ఇంకా వర్స్ట్ థింగ్ చెప్తాను. ఫ్యూ స్టూడెంట్స్ నార్మల్లీ విల్ కమ్. నేను నార్మల్గా అందుకే చెప్తాను, నేను కౌన్సిలింగ్, నేను ఎవరైనా మాట్లాడాను మీతో, నేను ఏమనంటే కౌన్సిలింగ్ నేను ఇస్తే జాయిన్ అవ్వరు. నేను కౌన్సిలింగ్ ఇస్తే జాయిన్ అవ్వరండి స్టూడెంట్స్. సీరియస్లీ అక్కడే ఏమి పడా ఇప్పేస్తాను అనమాట, రైట్? ఓకే, అందుకని చెప్పిన ఎవరో జాయిన్ అవ్వరు. ఓకే, అందుకే నేను నన్ను కౌన్సిలింగ్లో ఇన్వాల్వ్ చేద్దాను, నేను ఎవరితో మాట్లాడినంటే వాళ్ళకి ఇష్టమే జాయిన్ అవుతానంటే జాయిన్ అవ్వ. ఎవరైనా రెఫరెన్స్లో ఎప్పుడో తెలిసిన వాళ్ళు పంపిస్తే కనుక ఏమైనా మాట్లాడాలంటే 1 or 2 words మాట్లాడుతున్నాము, కానీ ఐ నెవర్ ఎవర్ ఇన్వాల్వ్ ఇన్ కౌన్సిలింగ్. వస్తారు, నేను నార్మల్గా ఐ హ్యావ్ ఆల్మోస్ట్ 15+ years ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఇన్ SAP అండి. మీకు ఈ పాటికి అర్థమే ఉండాలి నేను చెప్పే విధానంలో, వాట్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ సబ్జెక్ట్ ఐఎమ్ క్యారింగ్ అని, వాట్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ నాలెడ్జ్ ఐఎమ్ క్యారింగ్ అని, రైట్ ఆర్ రాంగ్? ఓకే, చూస్తా నార్మల్ స్టూడెంట్స్ రాగానే, చేతికి మంచి బ్రాండెడ్ వాచ్ ఉంటుంది, మెడలో మంచి చైన్ ఉంటుంది, మంచి బ్రాండెడ్ షర్ట్, మంచి బ్రాండెడ్ ప్యాంటు, మంచి బ్రాండెడ్ ఓకే షూస్ ఆర్ ఓకే స్లిప్పర్స్ అన్నీ కూడా నెక్స్ట్ లెవెల్ బ్రాండెడ్ ఉంటాయి. వచ్చి చాలా కష్టాల్లో ఉన్నాను సార్, నాకు 10,000కి ఇస్తారు. ఎక్కడ లేని కష్టాలన్నీ మాట్లాడుతాడు, మళ్ళీ కొంతమంది నార్మల్గా వచ్చి నా దగ్గరికి వచ్చి ఫోన్ లోపల రింగింగ్ వస్తూ ఉంటుంది. రైట్ ఆర్ రాంగ్ ఇలా చేస్తారు. నార్మల్ తీస్తే ఆఫ్ చేయడానికి ఎదురు లేకపోతే మాట్లాడడం తీస్తారు. చూస్తే ఐఫోన్ ఉంటుంది, తెస్తే ఐఫోన్ ఉంటుంది. బట్ దే ఆల్వేస్ ఆస్క్ ఓకే 10,000 ఇస్తారు, 15,000. యూ కెన్ గో టు ఎనీ ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్ అండి, యూ కెన్ గో టు ఎనీ ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్. నార్మల్ ఏం అలాగని మంచోళ్ళు లేరా అంటే మంచోళ్ళు ఉన్నారండి ట్రైనర్స్లో కూడా, ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్లో కూడా మంచిగా ఉన్నాయి. ఐ నో దట్ ఓకే. ఎక్కడ ఏ సబ్జెక్ట్ దొరుకుద్ది, ఎక్కడ సబ్జెక్ట్ సార్, నేను ఈ స్ట్రీట్లో ఒక స్టూడెంట్ కింద వచ్చాయండి అబ్బాయి చెప్పులతో. ఓకే ఈ ఏరియాకి నేను ఓకే కర్రల సంచితో అబ్బాయి చెప్పులతో ఎర్ర బస్సు ఎక్కి వచ్చానండి 15 సంవత్సరాల క్రితం. రైట్ ఓకే. ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ ఉన్నా, నాకు తెలీదా ఓకే ఏం జరుగుతుంది, ఎక్కడెక్కడ ఏం జరుగుతుంది ఏంటి అన్నది. ఓకే ఐఎమ్ నాట్ సేయింగ్ దట్ ఎవ్రీ వన్ ఈజ్ కల్ప్రిట్, ఐఎమ్ నాట్ సేయింగ్ దట్ ఎవ్రీ వన్ ఈజ్ డూయింగ్ ఓకే సంథింగ్, బట్ ఓకే యాజ్ ఏ టార్గెట్ కస్టమర్ ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ యూ పీపుల్ షుడ్ నో. నేను ఎప్పుడు చెప్తాను అనమాట నా ఫ్రంట్ ఆఫీస్ కూడా, ఈ రూమ్లో ఉన్నంత వరకే వాళ్ళు నా స్టూడెంట్స్, ఈ రూమ్లో ఉన్నంత వరకే వాళ్ళు నా స్టూడెంట్స్. ఒక్కసారి ఈ రూమ్ దాటి బయటకు వెళ్ళారా దే ఆర్ కస్టమర్స్, దే ఆర్ కస్టమర్స్. కస్టమర్ మైండ్ సెట్ ఎప్పుడు ఎలాగుంటుందంటే, నేను డబ్బులు పెడుతున్నా నాకు ఎందుకు రాదు, నేను డబ్బులు పెడుతున్నా ఎదరోడు ఎందుకు ఇవ్వడు. యూ నెవర్ ఎవర్ థింక్ దట్ ఓకే యు ఆర్ లెర్నర్, యూ ఆల్వేస్ థింక్ దట్ యు ఆర్ బయ్యర్. ఓకే ఇఫ్ యూ థింక్ దట్ యు ఆర్ లెర్నర్ you will obey okay trainer words or okay mentor words, whatever it may be. Whenever you feel you are a buyer, you don't learn also. Simple ga cheptunna, you don't learn also. You always feel that నేను పే చేసా నాకు ఎందుకు ఎవరు, నేను పే చేసా నాకు ఎందుకు ఎవరు. ఆల్వేస్ మీ మైండ్ అంతా ఎక్కడ ఉందండి, లెర్నింగ్ దగ్గర లేదు, ఆ పేమెంట్ దగ్గర ఉంది. హోప్ యు గాట్ బాబండి. నేనంటే లాస్ట్ నా ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ బట్టి మొత్తం నేను అంతా మొబిలైజ్ చేసుకుని క్రోడీకరించుకుంటే నాకు అర్థమైంది అనమాట. నాకు అర్థమైంది యూ పీపుల్ వెన్ ఎవర్ యూ పీపుల్ లుక్ ఫర్ క్వాలిటీ. మీరు ఎలాగనుకుంటారంటే మీ ఆలోచన విధానం నా ఆలోచన విధానం చెప్తారు. మీకు ఇది ఎస్ఐపి ఎఫ్ఎస్సిఓ కోర్స్ ఎక్కడికి వెళ్ళినా ఒకటే. నేను ఐ విల్ ఆస్క్ వన్ క్వశ్చన్, దీస్ టూ పీపుల్, వన్ పర్సన్ హ్యాస్ డన్ ఎంబీఏ ఇన్ దేర్ విలేజ్, one person has done okay MBA in their village like maybe Amalapuram or Amdal Valsa or something, whatever it may be, and the second person has done same MBA from IIM. Both are okay, పేరుకి MBA నండి, రెండు ఓకేనా. మరి అటువంటిప్పుడు ప్రతి ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్లోనే ఇది ఒకటే అవుతుంది, ప్రతి ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్లోనే అది ఒకటే అవుతుంది. ఓకే మనకు తెలియాలన్నమాట, అది మనకే తెలియాలి. నేను నార్మల్గా ఎప్పుడు అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తూ ఉంటా. I always feel that I have started institute in wrong place, in wrong area. నా ఆలోచన విధానం అప్పుడు వేరుగా ఉంది, బట్ దిగిన తర్వాత కొన్ని తెలుస్తాయి కదా. దిగిన తర్వాత అంటే చేతులు కాలేక ఆకులు పట్టుకుంటాం. దిగిన తర్వాత మాకు అర్థమైంది అనమాట. ఓకే దీనికి నువ్వు, నా ఫ్రెండ్స్ అందరూ అంటారు, నా ఫ్రెండ్స్ నా రిలేటివ్స్ నా గురించి పూర్తిగా తెలుసున్నారు. ఇంత ఓపెన్ స్టేట్మెంట్లు ఎవరు కదా, ఎవరు నా గురించి పూర్తిగా తెలుస్తుంది, మా రిలేటివ్స్ కానీ నా ఫ్రెండ్స్ కానీ అంటారు, ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ నీకు ఆ ప్రొఫెషన్ అన్నదే డిఫరెంట్. ఓకే నువ్వు ఎందుకు వెళ్ళావో తెలియదు, దాంట్లోకి నువ్వు చూస్ చేసుకున్న ఏరియా ఇంకా డిఫరెంట్. నువ్వు దాంట్లోకి ఆ మురికి కుంపట్లోకి ఎందుకు వెళ్ళావో నాకు అర్థం కాదు. ఓకే పెడుతున్నప్పుడు కూడా ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్ వద్దని చెప్పని నాకు తెలుసు, నా గురించి పూర్తిగా తెలిసిన వాళ్ళు 10 మందిలో 9 మంది వద్దని అన్నారు. 9 మంది నేను పెడతాను ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్ అని అన్నప్పుడు ఓకే 10 మందిలో 9 మంది వద్దు. నీకు తెలియట్లేదు అది మాఫియా, నీకు తెలియట్లేదు మాఫియా, నీకు తెలియట్లేదు మాఫియా. బట్ దర్ ఆల్ ఆర్ డిఫరెంట్ థింగ్స్. మీరంటే నార్మల్గా వస్తారు, ఒక 1 అవర్ కూర్చుంటారు వెళ్తారు, బట్ వెనకాల ఉన్న ప్రాక్టికల్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్, వెనకాల ఉన్నవి ఓకే డిఫరెంట్ వే ఉంటాయి అన్నమాట. ఓకే అవి మనకి చెప్పిన కొద్దిగా ఇది ఉంటుంది కదా. బట్ ఎనీవేస్ ఐ ఆల్వేస్ బిలీవ్ లుక్ ఫర్ క్వాలిటీ, లుక్ ఫర్ లెర్నింగ్, లుక్ ఫర్ క్వాలిటీ, లుక్ ఫర్ లెర్నింగ్. ఇదే స్ట్రీట్లో నేను డెమోకి వచ్చినప్పుడు 15 years బ్యాక్ ఇప్పటికి ఉన్నాయి ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్స్ కొన్ని, I have visited few institutes at that time. Okay, when I was a student, a small room like okay నా రూమ్ ఉంది చూసారా, ఆ రూమ్ లో కూర్చోబెట్టి దే యూజ్ ఇట్ మొత్తం అంతా డిమ్ లైట్స్ అనమాట. ఓకే మీకు ఎప్పుడైనా ఏమైనా డెమోకి వెళ్ళి ఉంటే మీకు తెలిసి ఉండాలి, వాట్ ఎవర్ ఇట్ మే బి. హౌ మెనీ పీపుల్ హ్యావ్ అటెండెడ్ డెమోస్ ఇన్ అదర్ ఓకే ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్స్? రేజ్ యువర్ హ్యాండ్స్. యూ హ్యావ్ అటెండెడ్ రైట్. ఎనీ అదర్ పర్సన్? ఎవరు? అందరూ ఏంటి సింగిల్గా వచ్చి నా దగ్గర జాయిన్ అయిపోయారా? నేను దేవుడిని అయిపోతానండి బాబు, వద్దా ఏంటి వీళ్ళందరూ వచ్చి ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్కి వచ్చి ఇక్కడ జాయిన్ అయిపోయారా? నో ఈ పీపుల్ నార్మల్ వెళ్ళలేదా?
Sir, sorry to disturb you, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, actually, apart my joining, I just saw your reviews only online, and
Okay.
after some time I spoke to Mr. Srikanth about your trading style. He told me,
Okay.
so I honestly joined that one.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank
Only
you.
for use.
Thank you.
Venkateswar is teaching so and so, everything perfect.
Okay.
As expected, more than that.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Mr.
It is
Venkat
not.
told me one thing, we
Sir,
teach according to the market requirements.
Sorry.
I,
Yeah.
Mr. Venkat told me we teach according to market requirements. That one
Okay.
sentence satisfied me only.
One sentence. What is it?
We teach according to market requirements.
Yes.
Yes, so perfect. Everything is perfect. We are
Okay.
thankful
Good.
to you, sir, as a
Thank
great
you.
mentor.
Thank you.
sir,
Thank you.
myself also I was joined based on your one of old students review, sir.
Okay.
So he said something great. I mean, you are the he complimented like he's the lecturer along with consultant.
Oh, oh. Thank you.
So that word I really impressed and
Thank you.
joined.
Thank you.
Sir, sorry, one more thing, sir. Actually, I am joining from Saudi Arabia, not from India.
Oh,
Yes,
really?
sir. But actually, basically from Hyderabad only.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
And no, my work is actually as a SAP end user only. Actually,
Okay.
earlier I did not get chance to introduce before joining this.
Okay. But now, okay, hope you people are okay getting what you expected, right?
Yes, sir. Exactly. We need to
Yes, sir.
practice
Yes.
a lot, especially general entries.
Thank you. And what I mean to convey, see, you people always should know the difference between products. మేడి పండు చూడు మేలు చూపు చూడు పురుగులు ఉండు అని అంటారు రైట్ అరా అంటే మనకి ఏంటంటే ప్రోవర్బ్లో ఏంటంటే మానేసాం కదా వెనకాల తాతలు ఒక మామూలు మన పర్యవేక్షణలో ఉంటే మనం అన్ని కొద్దిగా డిఫరెంట్గా ఉండేది ఇప్పుడు అంత ఇన్స్టా ఇది అయిపోయింది కదా వాట్ ఐ మీన్ టు కన్వే ద ప్రొడక్ట్ విచ్ ద నేమ్ ఈజ్ సేమ్ ఎంబీఏ but the MBA which you have done in your okay village, the MBA which okay some other person has done okay from IAM is totally different or not? Even okay course also, even course also, any course you take. Not only I am talking about SAP FSO, not only I am talking about I3IT solution. You people should do some R&D. You people should do some R&D before you choose anything. Before you choose anything, then only you people will okay identify which one is okay best, which one is not best. To our friend, okay, maybe day one or day two, I have discussed with him, right? He has not carried book, right? Why? Because after 1 week, he should, whenever he okay decided to join, there should be some reference, right or wrong? There should be some reference. Okay, in which institute they have taken okay taken classes in what way? Right, or then only he can take. But simply మనం anyways వెళ్దాం ఓకే సండే కానీ మళ్ళీ ఆఫ్టర్నూన్ మీట్ అవ్వాలి రైట్ anyways yeah tell me so to whom you are selling to customer for 20,000 right so till that point of time we have calculated
Accumulated depreciation.
accumulated depreciation account how much just assume that 60,000 then
Loss or profit on asset.
loss on asset how much 20 but okay here if you clearly observe, customer account is 20,000, I agree. Accumulated depreciation is 60,000, I agree. Loss on asset sale is 20,000, I agree. Right? Hope you got my point. Loss on asset sale 20,000, right? Okay. To asset account is okay 20,000, right? But whenever customer comes, what you will receive from customer? Revenue. What you will receive from customer? Revenue. Revenue on asset. How much? How much? Debit and credit equal in the sir? No. Right or wrong? So finally, okay, you people, this is a logic for your experience. Maybe you understood or not, but you should remember the okay entry. If I ask asset accounting sale entry, 100% people will say in a simple way, cash or bank account to asset. Cash or bank account to asset. This is the entry normally people will say. But how many line items it has generated? Customer account 20,000, accumulated depreciation account 60,000, And loss on asset sale is 20,000. And asset accounting is 20,000. But again, you are receiving revenue, right or not? But this revenue is not, you are selling asset, right or not? So that is the reason this should be knocked off. For that one, okay, we will create one clearing account. One clearing account for asset sales. How much amount? How much amount? So whether you understand logically or you follow blindly, if anyone asks asset sale with customer, 6 entries it will come. 6 GLs it will be hit, not 1 or 2. It is not a cash or bank account to asset. Cash or bank account to asset. You should not say that answer. Okay, you people should say logically understand what you are sending, what organization is sending, asset. So 1 lakh okay value. Till that point of time, they have calculated accumulated depreciation how much? 60,000. Okay. So how much value we have? 40,000 net book value, right or wrong? But how much value you are okay generating? 20,000. You are selling to customer 20,000. Remaining 20,000 is loss. So whenever you are dealing with customer, okay, what you will okay, get revenue. But you are selling asset, not okay. You are selling something right or wrong? Hope you got told. So for that one, to knock out that balance, we will create one clearing account. One clearing account. Hope you got my point. So these are the accounting entries people should remember with respect to asset account. With respect to each and every accounting entry we have discussed, okay, either in GL or AP or AR or okay, tax as well as asset accounting. Each and every accounting entry is important in interview point of view, in day-to-day life point of view. You can talk any one of the your okay relative or okay colleague who is working in SAP, who is working in SAP about the accounting entries importance. Okay, then people will come to. Okay, మనం కామర్స్ బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ వాళ్ళు అండి. మనం ఎవరండి సార్? If any commerce background person, okay, who doesn't have grip on accounting entries, he cannot survive for long time. He cannot survive for long time. But at least forget about all things. I don't say everything, okay, you people should understand, you people should know. But at least coming to SAP learning point of view, is all okay charts which we have discussed since last 4 days or 5 days. ఎప్పుడు మొదలు పెట్టండి GL accounting entries? 19th, right? Today where we are? 19th, 20th, 21, 22, 23. 5 days we have only worked on GL accounts. Only worked on accounting entries. So each and every accounting entry people should remember. I don't know when I will ask. I don't know. Okay, n number of times I will ask. Okay, in next 3.5 months. In next 3.5 months, 4 months. Okay, I hope you got my point. Please note it down. You people can note it down and you people can leave for the day. And as I already told you, afternoon, if anyone okay wants to come, you people can come and you people can watch. We will okay watch the match here. Any doubts for online people?
No, sir, no doubts.
Thank you. And one more thing, sorry, one minute, one more thing. From tomorrow onwards, we will go to system. Okay, not system. And system time. System 4-5 days. Okay, hope you got my. We start FICO course. We start FICO course in a okay one by one step. So from tomorrow onwards, next okay 30 days or 40 days or 45 days, it is very, very, very important because I always strongly believe basement should be strong. Whatever the functions okay you may get invite or whatever the occasions it come, whatever the festivals it come, whatever the cricket matches it come, if class is there, please try to attend. If class is there, please try to attend for next 40-45 days. Okay, hope you got my point. Thank you. I'm not saying that after that you should not attend, but okay, this 45 days are detail. Okay.